Welcome to Bike Review Pro, your go-to channel for in-depth motorcycle reviews, detailed first looks, and expert insights on the latest bikes. Today, we're taking an exhaustive look at the 2026 Honda CRF 750L, Honda's newest mid-capacity dual-sport motorcycle designed to excel both on-road and off-road. The CRF 750L continues Honda's tradition of reliable, versatile adventure bikes while introducing modern technology, improved performance, and ergonomic refinements for 2026. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is positioned as a versatile, mid-capacity dual-sport motorcycle, bridging the gap between lightweight dual sports and full-sized adventure bikes. Honda aims to provide a machine that can tackle technical off-road trails, handle long-distance highway travel, and remain comfortable for everyday commuting. This motorcycle is built for riders who value versatility and reliability. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, a touring enthusiast, or someone who commutes regularly but enjoys exploring dirt trails, the CRF 750L is designed to deliver a balanced experience in every scenario. Design and styling. The 2026 CRF 750L carries forward Honda's rally-inspired dual-sport design language. Its aggressive styling communicates ruggedness and off-road capability while remaining sleek and functional for street use. The tall stance and upright ergonomics give riders a commanding view of the road and trails ahead. The LED headlight provides excellent illumination for nighttime riding and maintains a lightweight, compact design. The high-mounted front fender helps prevent mud and debris from obstructing the front wheel while navigating challenging terrain. The fuel tank and bodywork are sculpted to provide a narrow midsection for easy rider movement, particularly when standing on the pegs during off-road riding. Honda has refreshed the graphics and color options for 2026, including bold red and adventure-inspired matte finishes, giving the CRF 750L a modern yet rugged appearance. Durable materials and reinforced panels ensure the bike can withstand impacts, dirt, and long-term use. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 Honda CRF 750L is a 750cc parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine tuned for smooth and usable torque across the rev range. This engine prioritizes rider-friendly performance over high rev horsepower, making it ideal for off-road trail riding, city navigation, and long-distance touring. The engine delivers linear and predictable power, making low-speed technical riding manageable and controlled while providing sufficient strength for highway overtaking and touring. Vibration is minimal, and the engine remains stable during prolonged high-speed operation or when climbing steep inclines. Paired with a 6-speed transmission, gear shifts are precise and smooth. For riders preferring clutchless operation, Honda offers an optional dual-clutch transmission DCT version, which enhances usability and reduces fatigue during long rides or stop-and-go city traffic. The torque-rich engine allows the CRF 750L to excel in off-road scenarios, climbing technical trails and sandy paths with ease. The smooth throttle and responsive power delivery enhance rider confidence, especially in unpredictable terrain. Chassis, frame, and suspension. The CRF 750L features a lightweight steel frame, engineered for strength, rigidity, and maneuverability. This frame contributes to stability at high speeds on highways while maintaining agile handling in tight off-road situations. The suspension system is built to absorb rough terrain with long travel inverted front forks and a rear monoshock. This setup ensures excellent comfort and control whether riding through rocky trails, muddy paths, or uneven pavement. The wheel configuration follows a traditional dual-sport design, a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, optimized for off-road traction and stability. The spoked wheels provide durability, making the bike resilient against rough terrain. Braking is handled by dual front disc brakes and a rear disc, supported by switchable ABS, allowing riders to adjust for road or trail conditions. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Honda has designed the CRF 750L with rider comfort and control in mind. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and optimally placed foot pegs provide a neutral, relaxed riding posture suitable for long rides, city traffic, or standing on the pegs off-road. The seat is firm yet supportive, engineered for extended rides without causing fatigue. The slim fuel tank and narrow midsection make it easy for riders to grip the bike with their knees, improving stability and control in off-road conditions. Wind protection is provided by an adjustable rally-style windscreen, which reduces fatigue on highways while remaining compact enough to prevent obstruction when riding off-road. Passenger accommodations are practical, with a supportive rear seat and solid grab handles for occasional two-up riding. Technology and rider aids. While built for adventure, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L incorporates essential modern technologies to enhance safety and usability. A full-color TFT display provides speed, gear position, fuel range, ride modes, and connectivity features. The bike includes multiple ride modes, allowing riders to adjust throttle response, traction control, and engine performance based on conditions. Honda's Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, improves traction on slippery surfaces, making off-road riding safer without compromising control. LED lighting ensures high visibility and low power consumption. Optional features, depending on the trim, include cruise control, heated grips, and quick shifter functionality, enhancing both comfort and performance for touring riders. Off-road capability. The CRF 750L excels in off-road conditions thanks to its lightweight frame, long travel suspension, and torque-rich engine. Riders can confidently tackle dirt trails, rocky paths, sand, and light water crossings. The 21-inch front wheel ensures good rollover capability, while the ground clearance allows the bike to navigate obstacles without risk to the undercarriage. The suspension absorbs bumps effectively, while the traction control system allows for controlled acceleration on loose surfaces. The bike's ergonomics supports standing, riding, essential for off-road control and maneuverability. Overall, the CRF 750L offers a level of off-road performance typically found in higher displacement motorcycles, making it ideal for serious adventure enthusiasts. On-road performance and touring. Despite its off-road focus, the CRF 750L remains comfortable and capable on paved roads. The parallel twin engine provides smooth highway cruising, while the chassis and suspension maintain stability at higher speeds. The adjustable windscreen reduces wind fatigue during long rides, and the upright seating position allows for comfortable control over extended distances. The bike can be equipped with luggage racks, panniers, and top boxes, making it a practical option for touring and long-distance adventure travel. Fuel efficiency is also a highlight, allowing for extended range between fuel stops, which is essential for touring in remote areas. Practicality and maintenance. Honda has designed the CRF 750L for long-term durability and low maintenance. Engine components are accessible, the electronics are reliable, and the mechanical systems are robust, ensuring the bike can handle heavy use over the years. The bike is versatile enough for everyday commuting, weekend trail adventures, and multi-day touring, making it a one-bike solution for riders who want a balance of performance, comfort, and practicality. Ideal riders for the 2026 Honda CRF 750L. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is designed for a wide range of riders. It is ideal for adventure enthusiasts, touring riders, and commuters who want a versatile bike capable of handling different terrains. It's suitable for intermediate and experienced riders who want a mid-capacity dual sport bike, and also for those moving up from smaller dual sports or downsizing from heavier adventure motorcycles. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L represents Honda's vision of a versatile, reliable, and capable adventure motorcycle. With a balance of off-road capability, on-road comfort, modern technology, and Honda's legendary durability, it is designed to handle every aspect of motorcycle riding, whether you're exploring challenging trails, cruising highways, or commuting in the city. The CRF 750L provides confidence, comfort, and performance. For riders seeking a mid-capacity adventure bike that excels in all scenarios, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L is a compelling and versatile choice. Stay tuned to Bike Review Pro for more long-form motorcycle reviews, first looks, and expert insights into the latest bikes from around the world.